Thanks for waiting.
He just started to walk with us. He'll just pop out of a shrub. I just never know where he comes from, but he always finds us.
Hurry up, you're giving me a heart attack. Come on.
When he joins us for the walk, oftentimes goes out in front like he's the leader. We learned from the neighbors that his name was Oliver, and he's our neighbor's cat. They live just a couple of houses down.
Hi, bud. Hi, friend. Let's go.
Oliver and Gunny particularly love each other.
Here's your bestie.
As soon as we start our walk, they look for each other.
Well, hi.
When they greet Oliver, he makes sure to touch Gunny with his tail. Some people call those cat hugs.
Oh, how sweet.
We often have drivers stop and roll down their window and point and laugh. I was just in shock thinking, we've never seen a cat walk with other people and their dogs around the block. One day, Oliver, he started spending a lot of time by our front door.
Hi. What's happening? Would you like to come in? Is he mad at me? What do you think is happening?
He started coming in the house.
It's cold out there.
Gunner is always at the front door, and he will wait for Oliver to come in.
It's 26 degrees. I was a little worried.
We ended up installing a little cat door in the screen next to the dog door so that he can come and go.
Hi, buddy.
Usually he comes in for a nap. He will try every different bed, blanket, anything in our house until he's comfortable. Every once in a while, we'll find him in the kitchen sink. And after the walk, he has figured out that my dogs get a treat.
Good.
So now I bought cat treats, so he gets a treat.
Good walk, gang. Good walk.
He's just one of the family.
Are you coming in? Not sure. Come on. Come on, let's go get some treats.